I'm here at Flag Park for a picnic. Let's enjoy the food. I am also going to write a journal here about nature. This is my old one.
Hi guys, I'm in Flag Park. We have to enjoy. Later we will take the rides. It's fun.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Emma and Disha. Today it's me Emma, and I'm going to be doing a nature journal. I have been starting to do journals, and this was the first page that I have done. I know I'm not that good at calligraphy. And today I'll be going to do today I'm going to be doing a journal about nature. I already ready the page. Today our journal topic is all about nature. So as you can see, I'm not at home. I'm at the park. I'm at the Flag Park. And I'm going to be collecting substances like leaves, their veins, flowers, and then I'm going to research about them and also learn about them and write their names, stick them with the glue on my journal. So let's get started. And we have my little sister here today with us. She is going to help us in today's video. We are going to be doing a journal, so she'll be helping us with it. For now, she's just making a mess, as you can see. Stop it, baby Ash. No. And we'll be also teaching her how to draw, because right now she'll just be doing this. So now let's go and find some different leaves and flowers. I know in my old video when we came here, there were like so many flowers in this like sandy part that I'm showing you right now. But now they have removed the flowers. I think we won't find any flowers now. Gosh. Oh gosh. It's okay, we'll try our best because they might be somewhere. And this baby is just here for causing distraction. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. So there's a park over there. I'm not going to take her there because she's never going to come back there. First of all, let's try. We're also going to have fun with this, not make it too boring for us. So our first task is let's do a bottle flip. Okay, on the get set, 1, 2, 3, go. Man, wait, I have to make it again. 1 minute. Go. I'm trying to. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, I'm really bad at this. I cannot do it. Sorry, we are changing the topic. So let's go on our first leaf hunt. the baby will be just coming behind us. So yeah, she's a very slow motion like the turtle. Well, let's go. We start here from the leaves. Now this is a very cute flower. It has pink leaves. Have you ever seen a pink leaf? Comment below if you have ever seen a pink leaf like this. Look. You see this small tiny flower? It has been not growing yet. And here is the part it has been grown already. Pink leaves, red leaves. Awesome. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, so I was just walking and I found this cute little leaf on the ground. Look, it's so like beautiful, like half shaded pink and half shaded white. I'll show you in the sunlight, okay? Sitting under the tree so I can show you all the leaves that I got. Okay, first our main goal is to find colorful leaf, okay? I didn't get the green one, I'll get it later, okay? The first kind of leaf I just found and I just showed you is this red leaf. You can see its veins, right? Maybe you can. As I was telling you, this leaf is very beautiful. It has a half shade of baby pink and a half shade of white. It's so beautiful. And the red one. And then at last we have this pink one. All about nature. So yeah, let's start. I wrote here leaf veins. I love the way that these like letters pop out of the page just because of the black pen. I just like reach up, touch them, and some of them I shade them black so they just like pop out of the page. So yeah, let's start sticking them. I don't know why I wrote veins here, so yeah, I'm just going to rub that off with my whitener and we're just going to write here a leaf. Now this is the mess I made after like only this much work. Just to remind you, yeah, I'm a very messy girl, just joking. When I start something, I go way long. Yeah. So I love this little candy. It's like made up of honey. Yeah, so let's start sticking. Number one, I found this pink leaf, so I'm going to stick here. Let's get the glue. Done placing all the leaves in their order now. You can see I have the 3 leaves all about nature.